Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Yeah, it's 9 past 9 and it's my off day today, and like I promised I would try to do content on my off days. So I'm about to start tidying up, so I'm just gonna show you guys. Happy has already gone to work. This is what we're working with. Yeah, I've just woken up and well, yesterday I did thorough cleans, but you know how it goes. Housework never stops, guys. So yeah, so I'm going to try and sweep and then um scrub the sofa and then just clear those few dishes in there, and then I'm going to try and rest most of the day. Also, I have already done like a mini laundry of things that um were, were dirty after I did. So this is like the mini laundry, and I washed my tennis shoes over there. I really hope they dry before tomorrow. So we've just finished mopping, and I also cleaned the sofa. Look how dirty it was, guys. Hey, these days my sofa is suffering, but it looks cleaner. I don't know, like if you can really see. Yeah, if it dries quickly, then I'm going to try and scrub it again. So as you can see, the floor is still wet. Yeah, I've just finished mopping. I'm just going to wait for the floor to dry and for the couch to dry as well. Yeah, Saka, we're just going to chill in the bedroom. Is now tidy. It's tidy. I've mopped. Same as the bathroom. Guys, don't mind these Gucci, they're different color. Yeah. I saw this mat and it was just this mat. They didn't have one for the toilet, so we're just gonna be using the old one until I find um another set that has both one for the shower and the toilet. So yeah, since it's winter, we're just gonna use the Mari mismatched like that. I mean, it's cold. Who wants to sit on the toilet? Nemakumba achitonoro pasi. So anyway, oh yeah. What time is it? It's 6 past 10, and I'm done sweeping. I've done the laundry. I've mopped. I've scrubbed the couch. So I just need it to dry, and then I might re-scrub it because yeah, it's been a whole week. It's not combo. It's not combo case where and guys, do not buy velvet couches if you are lazy. Do not do it. Don't risk. Yes, it looks nice, but it's a lot of work keeping this thing clean. But I love my couch. Yeah, I love it, but now that I'm going to work, it's proving to be a challenge to keep it clean. Anyway, I might get it reupholstered into leather. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I can already imagine if we had kids, it was just going to be, yeah, it was just going to be rough. Anyway, so I'm about to try and find something to watch. I have to remind myself that I need to rest because tomorrow I'm going back to work, and so I really need to rest because if I don't rest, I'm just going to be doing house chores after house chores. Being the perfectionist that I am, I'm just gonna keep re-sweeping and re-mopping and redoing everything. Yeah. Like Katimbo jacket something to watch. That is it. Let me do my breakfast now. I'm feeling a bit hungry. So we're just gonna cook our breakfast. We're just going to cook our eggs. Yeah. Should we guys do? I've also decided I'm too impatient to wait for the couch to dry. Saka, I opened the door and I closed the curtain. So that will help Kuti the couch to dry faster. So yeah, let's cook breakfast. Just gonna my yeah. Chinchampure, because I think it was in there the whole night. So I feel like tea and lemon should be going to hell. We're going to Guys, you really need to. Yeah, I need to buy those canisters to put those items in because this is just not looking ordered. Not ordered at all. That's a bit much.